What is up, A team? Welcome back. Awesome here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day, or not, depending where you're at, but I hope it is awesome. And yes, we are back at it today. Sorry I was not here today. I told everyone that I was not going to be streaming. Things I had to get done. I was not streaming last night because obviously I was out with my mother doing some Christmas shopping. So yes, we are back though. The markets are definitely a little rocky. I'll say that. I'll say that they are definitely a little bit rocky. We've been on the downtrend for a little over 24 hours now, and a lot of people are losing their minds. And so here we are today. Really, what I want to talk about is whether the market's going to be bearish, whether it's going to be bullish. What are we going to look forward to? Basically, we have some things coming up here. We're going to definitely look at the charts. We're going to study the charts. We're going to see where they're at. I mean, a lot of us were actually buying last night. I put out my stuff on X last night talking about this. So, yeah, with all that, I just want to say what's up to everyone. What is going on? We got Roman. What's up, man? What's up? We got, what is that? QD up. We got B-Dogs, Terrence. All right. What's going on there, everyone? We got R Lake in the house here. What's up, bud? Vintage USA, McNeil, Michael. Got Intrigue, Estrada, CS, dude. Good to see everyone here. Justin English, good to see you. Hamburger Helper, Trey Nelson, Cloud, Ethan, dude. It's good to see everyone in here. We're rocking and rolling tonight. Yeah, like I said, sorry I was out out this morning. Everyone was like, dude, where's Awesome? Where's Awesome? I was like 24 hours off stream and everyone's freaking out on me. But I'm back. We are here, dude, ready to rock and roll. So hopefully everyone's ready to do this tonight. Hello, Rita Burrito. Corey, you bought the dip on the XRP? Yeah, dude, we were buying at I bought at 220. I said if it dipped a little bit lower, my next purchase would be around the 210 marker if I were to actually do it. And here we are, sitting pretty. I think XRP is looking pretty bullish right now. We've been studying the charts for how long now? And it's doing really, really good. I'm down to my knees, begging crypto, please. Yeah, you got a flash sale coming. We do have a pretty bit of a flash sale coming right now. So bought the dip on the XRP and HBAR. Heck yeah, dude. Oh, hey, old man Jenkins, thanks so much for the $5, dude. I got HBAR, XRP, XLM, and Doge. How I own Pulse X? That's a Kev 83 question, dude. I think you just got to look over on the Pulse chain side. It matches it. So I think you just got to look on the Pulse chain. It should match your whatever you purchased on the Ethereum and stuff. It should match over on your wallet. I think that's how it works. Making true money. What's up, buddy? Good to see you over here. I got funds in places where the whiskey pours. Going to YouTube now. All right, buddy. I'll see you over here, man. Appreciate that. Yo, what's up? What's up, Steve Carr? How you doing, dude? Karen, what's going on? Hold. Yeah. So I want to bring something I want to bring up here is that tomorrow is going to actually be a pretty big day. So we've had some blood in the streets, obviously. Crypto market is not looking too good. We can actually take a quick look at it real quick. You can see that the market is trying to make a little bit of a comeback in the last hour here. It's in the green for the first time. We've been battling this massive decrease. Literally, I think we had roughly over what, 2 trillion, $1.1 billion liquidated from the cryptocurrency market in less than 24 hours. I mean, that's crazy. $1.1 billion in 24 hours was liquidated from the cryptocurrency market. So that should tell you everything you need to know on why we're at where we're at. As you guys know, Jerome Powell came out, made his announcements, made his spiel, all that stuff, and obviously wasn't really, really good. Well, come to find out today, we have maybe some more bearish news on the day. And so some people are obviously wondering how it's going to turn out. But I think the good thing is that Jerome Powell actually spoke about this yesterday, it was yesterday in his speech, talking about how there's going to be basically we're going to have a rise in inflation. He said that the inflation's still on the rise. Inflation's still going to go up. So I think that hopefully this is baked in. So when tomorrow's data comes out, we're not shocked by it. It says right here, it's also to expect the rise of 0.2 on a monthly basis and into 2.9 annually. A lot of them were expecting it to get down to the 2 level. And so they're saying that, hey, we're going to probably have a little bit of some blood in the streets again when it comes to crypto and when it comes to stocks. So right now there's major uncertainty in the stock markets and there's major uncertainty in the crypto markets. So tomorrow, as you can see right here, you have what they call the personal spending month-to-month, personal income month-to-month, and the core PCE. So these are the 3 things that are going to be coming out tomorrow that people are going to be watching for. So definitely something to watch out on. As you can see right now, Bitcoin did drop out of our channel, so we can actually remove those because it's no longer inside the purchase channel there. So this definitely dipped out. And that was the first time we've dipped out of the channel since when we started back in November 11th. So yeah, kind of crazy to see. But everything that I put up here before I got off on the stream yesterday is still up, and it hit exactly what we thought. Right? I drew. Oops, let me put that back. I drew these out yesterday before I got off stream. You guys saw we were saying what levels they were going to go to, and we actually hit pretty closely to this. I said it was going to get to about the 100 mark, and we definitely got to a little bit below that. So, yeah, very, very crazy to see how that works out. XRP did exactly what I thought it was going to do, and anyone that was in on the XRP dip and bought that up at the 220 to 215 mark, perfect purchase, dude. What's going on, man? What's going on, Jack? How you doing? South Korea crypto market has XRP surpassing Bitcoin. Does it really? That's wild. Big B, what's going on, dude? William, we got Linda. We got Linda. Good to see you. Ethan, good to see you. Yeah, we got Trent in the house. We got Batchman. What's going on, man? I'm gonna scroll down a little bit. If I miss your name, I'm so sorry about that. Why are you saying my last name? I did not mean to do that. I corrected it really quick. PulseX is just a mirror image of the ETH side of things. So yeah. Hey, what's going on, Steve Nguyen? How's it going, dude? Mile High guy, good to see you guys. Yeah, so it's really good day, I think, for XRP. I mean, we had a major bounce back. This is actually a really good chart. If you guys remember what I was saying, is that on the day chart here, we're actually seeing, we had 2 days, or actually it was the Bitcoin chart. I was telling you guys that we have roughly right here. Look at this chart. Usually we have 2 days followed by, we have 1 day that goes down, and then we have another extra day here, another trend down, extra day, another trend down, extra day. And now we're in the 3rd day. Hopefully we build out of this day. That's what we're looking for, that we're going to have a positive day today to build us back out of the hole we're in with Bitcoin. Again, you can follow the same trend with XRP. You have 2 dips, 2 days of a dip. You had 3 over here, but you had 2 days of a dip, came back up. 2 days of a dip, we're going to come back up. So we're hoping that we actually create a new high here. Because again, we haven't created a new low. We actually haven't gone down back to this $2 range, which actually just dipped down to 190. And we didn't create that new low yet with this. So that's actually a really good positive. What would be an actual negative thing here? I'm going to turn this over a little bit right there. What would be a negative thing here is if this actually came down and created a new low, which then would have been lower here, that would have been a very bearish signal. But right now we're actually seeing it to be a bullish signal because it didn't create a new low. So now our next goal is to create a newer high. And so again, that's where I'm a little bit bullish on the charts here. We're already in the bull market, Jared. Bull market's been up and running for a while. U.S. government has 250,000. Yeah, I see that. They have the U.S. government has that much BTC, and they want to accumulate 1 million. Yeah, that'd be cool. So I think about buying BTC. What's up, Wadi? What's good, Austin? Hope family as well. Just a friendly reminder, I'm trashed and buying the bottom. Hey, man. All I gotta say is be careful. That trigger finger can get a little crazy. Jared, thanks so much for the $2, dude. When do you think the bull market will start? It's already started, man. We're in full effect right now. Bull market started when Trump got inaugurated, dude. That's when it kicked into a full effect. But that's what triggered the bull market was Trump, and we're going to continue to have really good. I think we're going to continue to have rallies here. So people are saying, okay, so what should our expectations be? Well, you can see right here. So in 2020 during the bull run here, it was called the golden entry. They talked about this for a really long time. Let me get my head out of the way here. So you can see right there is what's called the golden entry right here. And so you basically, this is the area of purchase right before the turn into 2021 was the purchase area. Now look at this, dude. We had major dips here in 2021. You can see right here, there was massive dips. This was like almost to a T of what happened. This is right now. We have this massive dip that just came in. And look at this, dude. This is what they call the golden entry. So we're right here, right around the exact same time where this has a chance to do some pretty good things. Again, we're looking at trends. We can't guarantee this what's going to happen. All we're doing is looking at previous charting, previous numbers, and trying to match trends to give us a better idea for our trading. That's all this is. I can't predict the future. I don't know if this is what's going to actually happen, but usually history does a good job of repeating itself in the markets. And usually when you see a trend, that trend usually happens again. I mean, it's pretty consistent to happen over and over and over again, those trends. Just like we talk about magnets in the markets where people, things get filled up in the markets. yeah, like value gaps and stuff like that. Same with this stuff. Let's see here. People don't want to buy Monday, raise the prices, and sell at the end of the week. Yeah, that could be. But this is a really, really good sign here, right? Here's another one. You can see right here. This is the actual Bitcoin to US dollar. So as the dollar goes down, Bitcoin goes up, and then the dollar follows. As you can see right now, in 2016, the dollar went down. We went up. Here, this is 2020. The dollar is actually flat. Bitcoin went up. Now you can see the dollar is actually down. And this is a really good sign, right? When the dollar's down, that means that we have a good chance for Bitcoin to go back up. So this is a dollar to Bitcoin comparison. Obviously, the dollar is still one of the strongest fiats in the world. So we're going to obviously compare that. So those are some really good things here too. Christmas rally. We talked about this 3 nights ago, maybe. We talked about the Christmas rally and how every year of the halving, we have a Christmas rally. And as you guys can see right here, in 2016, we had a massive sell-off before the Christmas. And right now in 2020, we had a rally before this. And then right now, here's our massive sell-off again. So you can actually try to match these. I'm not saying that we're going to have this Christmas rally. I don't know. I'm just saying that trends usually seem to work out. So I'm very bullish on what the future has for this in the next coming weeks, just because of what the trends are showing us. Again, something that's really positive here. This is where you have, again, the US dollar index matching with that of Bitcoin. And as you can see, every time we hit a top here, this is 2022, it's on the curve, hit the top there, hit the top here, top. And it's saying that we're on a trajectory to hit this top right here, which is roughly around $280,000. Can it hit that number? I don't know, but it's obviously following this curve pretty sharply. This curve's not going to just like fall off the map right here. It's going to continue the curve, just like we see with all the charting out there. So we could project that maybe, yeah, we're going to probably hit up into this red zone here. We're going to obviously track this, and something to actually watch. So again, if you're being bearish right now, if you're like, oh crap, crypto's down, I'm down on my money. Yesterday was a really, really good opportunity. I put out tweets yesterday saying where I was buying, saying what I was doing. Put those limit orders in if you're looking to DCA in or looking to have an entry point or looking to swing trade. I mean, yesterday was a great day for swing trading. I was just going to look at my chart right now. I mean, yeah, I'm up just off my trade yesterday from buying it at $2.20 where it hit. I'm up $970 today off of that trade alone. So, I mean, that's a really, really good trade. Obviously, I put my stop loss up so that if it comes back down, I'm obviously going to sell it. And I also have a purchase order below it so that if it comes back down to 220 again, 215, I'm going to purchase back up again. So it's going to sell, then it's going to buy, then it's going to buy. So those are the moves that you should be making if you're doing any kind of trading. Again, that's up to you to decide how much you want to do it or if you want to do it. It's risky, but if you're up in the green, like I said, in a swing trade, you should set your stop loss and then find that next entry point. I'm buying the last bull market. I'm still up. There you go, buddy. That's good to hear. That is good to hear. Would that qualify as an inverse head and shoulders? You're talking about this one, or are we talking about this right here or Bitcoin? Talking about this right here? I don't know if I'd necessarily qualify it as that yet. This, I don't know. Not quite. I don't know if I consider that quite yet. How are you guys? Names colored. What's good, Austin? HBAR get an ETF. I think HBAR is going to set themselves up pretty, right? Yeah, they're going to set themselves up pretty. What about HBAR chart? Yeah, let's take a look at HBAR. I didn't pull up HBAR here. So HBAR, another great thing, dude. So I set a purchase order at 25.5. And you can see right down here, 25.5. It hit at 23.77 and bounced back up, dude. I was expecting this to hit 25.5 is what I put in, and it hit perfectly. It went down below it, and I was like, oh crap, this is coming down hot. And now it's bounced back, and there's a really good return on this as of right now. I think I'm up. Let's take a look here. I think I'm up, yeah, about almost 10% on my investment. Let me pull it up here real quick. Hold on. Yeah, I'm up today's return. I'm up 1,073 on today's return. So again, I mean, buying these bottoms, buying these little dips in here help out big time. Just on that little swing trade, I'm up 1,000 on that one, and on the other one now it's going back up right now. XRP, yeah, it's about 915. I thought it bounced up just now. It still says 915, but I think, yeah, it's 1,000. Sorry, 1,012 right now. So these are like perfect entries right here. Let's see here. Austin is ashamed of saying my name. Conqueef. No, I'm not. What would qualify as an inverse? We'll get into that here in a second. Let me get through the chart here. Ike Diesel, what's up, babe? I made $300 in the last 30 minutes. That's what I'm talking about, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. That's kind of stuff I like to hear. Appreciate you. Appreciate the $2 donation. Glad you're making money, dude. I have all my money on XRP. Is that stupid? Hey, some people really like it. Michael Saylor has all his money in Bitcoin, and he hasn't bought anything else. So to each your own on how you want to trade. You don't always have to diversify everything. It's up to you on what you feel comfortable with and where you put your put a lot of your energy into. And like I said, a lot of us put a lot of our energy into XRP, into HBAR, into a lot of these. We spend a lot of time looking at the charts. So I mean, it makes sense if that's what you're planning. If that's what you spend a lot of your time doing. I'm up and up, and I'm learning. Heck yeah, that's awesome. Whatever, clever. Like to hear that. Like to hear that. New to stake XRP at 241. We're going back up. We're working our way back up. Yeah, it could take. We didn't create a new low, so that's a really good thing here. You can see on this day chart right here. The low was 190, right? We bumped down here to 190, and that's the new low right there. Actually, I'm on the wrong chart for that. That's the new low, and I put too many things in here last night. I got to delete some of these. I mean, I don't really think I need them. But yeah, we hit a new low right here at the red line or the white line right here. And then the next one's right here around the 215. It went down to about 213, I think is where it went. But yeah, 215 is where it went. And then boom, now we're back up. So I hope that we create another high now. I hope we bump back up into the 250s, maybe into the 260s again. So I messed up. I bought Ethereum at 3,800. Ethereum's strong, man. Ethereum, you don't have to worry, man. Just I think when you're up like that and it's down, I mean, Ethereum's at your $400 down per Ethereum right now. The good thing about Ethereum is we know that, I mean, there's a lot going for it. It's on an ETF. Today, there's actually some really good news. As you guys can see right here, the SEC did approve the Hashdex Bitcoin and Ethereum crypto index for the ETF on the NASDAQ. So now people that are in Fidelity or that they're in, Scottrade and stuff like that, they can actually move funds over onto the NASDAQ now to purchase both that of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So these are really strong. I wouldn't even sweat that, dude. XRP going up as we speak is good luck. Yeah. The good thing is that I think we're obviously predicted this. I mean, I go back to this chart right here. Bitcoin's still the driver of these things. I mean, so you should be pulling back and looking at Bitcoin before, to base off what your trades are. Look at your trends, because a lot of the crypto market still follows trends of Bitcoin. We mapped this trend out, dude, to a T. We knew this trend was going to happen. Two days down, one in the green. The Bitcoin's going to come back in the green here. It's only $108 down. We're going to come back in the green here most likely. Again, my thoughts based off of everything else, we'll probably go up on the day. We're probably going to see a rally, about a 5% rally. Based off every dip, we get about a 5% rally. Like I said before, there's a fair value gap in here. There's a magnet that gets pulled back here to some point. And so I don't know where that point's going to be, but we had a massive decrease here. So that means that we're going to probably pull back up to about the 102, maybe like the 102 level is about where I think our magnet is going to pull us back to, which would be roughly what these other ones are here, that's about a 6%. So 6.4. So if we take the 102, let's say 102, 102.5, and we could draw down to where we're at right now, which would put us at about a 5.5%. So, I mean, yeah. And we've already climbed back a little bit. So, we'll see if that plays out. Like I said, I mean, this is just looking at numbers and trying to do your math. So what would qualify? Let me keep asking the same question, dude. Thoughts on SPY? Is it going to – I don't even know what that is tonight. I don't know what that is. XRP is definitely pumping right now. It's looking pretty good right now. Again, set your stop. If you're up right now, set a stop loss. Whatever that might be, look for another entry point. Has the volume been unusually high for XRP these past couple of days? It's actually been kind of low. Today's really good actually. Today's 173.34 million coming into the day chart right here. So yeah, and you can see the volume across this level is a lot. I mean, there's a lot of volume across this. 1.96 billion across that level. That's crazy. Bonk, something to do with AI. Genuine wells are accumulating XRP and pumping it while the markets are down, forcing shorts to invest instead of doubling down on the positions. Yeah, I would agree. I mean, there's a lot of jockeying going on for sure. Like I would agree with that. That platform was the lowest fee, so I can just buy. I use Coinbase and I pay for the Coinbase Premium, just because it's about $299 a month. But in the amount of training that I do and the fees that I save is great, so I don't even sweat it. Grab 10K of HBAR at 25 cents to go, dude. Hell yeah, dude. That's not bad. 25 cents. Yeah, we went down to 25.3, dude. So yeah, you got it right there at that 25.3 marker. 80% of my money's in XRP. I'm climbing I'm slowly climbing up on my XRP, dude. In terms of how much I've been buying in, you know, and yeah, it's definitely nice to see, dude, for sure. I lost $2,000 the last 2 days. It's 25. My whole portfolio. Do you exit? Where would you exit it for if you were me? Nah, dude. You don't. The only way you're gonna lose is if you sell, man. And trust me, I'm not gonna say trust me. Don't trust me, bro. I'm just saying there's a lot of indicators that are showing positivity. We have a lot of good things. Even tomorrow, even if tomorrow comes in, like I said, even if also what's holding us down is the government shutdown fears. I mean, there's a lot of things in the market right now that are causing this red downfall. You have a potential government shutdown because of whatever's going on there. And like I said earlier, when we were looking at the inflation readings, this already came out. This is why the market came down. Jerome Powell actually gave us a bone. He came out and said, hey, inflation's actually going to come in high. So I hope tomorrow people aren't shocked by that. I hope we actually baked this in already. I think we actually baked that into this dip right here. So tomorrow we're already knowing that we've already hit our inflation dip here, and I hope we just tear out of it now. Bro Powell or whatever his name is such a buzzkill all the time, Aaron. Jerome Powell is expect that every time we're on the channel and watch an FOMC meeting, expect there to be some major market manipulation. Now you guys know. Now you have felt it. You've seen it, especially if you're new to crypto. You know exactly what we're talking about. And anytime we have an FOMC meeting, for the most part, there could be some usually if there's rate, we can expect there to be a decent rate cut or something like that, or something positive that might go green. But for the most part, when the Feds speak, expect there to be some manipulation and sell-offs in the market. That's a very common thing. SHIB is a perfect entry point. Yeah, if you like the meme coins, how come the moment you go live, the market starts to go green? I timed it perfectly, JJ. Do you not know that yet? I timed these things perfectly. I got a lot of people mad at me that I was not streaming when it was red. I couldn't believe all the comments, how people were mad at me. So many people were mad at me that I was not streaming when it was red. They called me a sellout. But I love you guys anyways. It's okay. I'm here, and I had things to do this morning. I thought I told everyone I was not going to be here. But I did feel bad. I was watching the charts go red, and I felt like I was not there to support the A team. So I do feel bad about that, but I'm not a sellout. I'm here tonight while these charts turn around. All right. Are you expecting another dip, or from here? I'm more bullish than I am bearish. I'll tell you that. Again, market swings can happen. We have some indicators coming out tomorrow. I don't know how the market's going to react. Like I said, I'm hoping that the market's already baked in the inflation report that's going to come out tomorrow. Like I told you guys earlier, we have the personal spending month over month, we have the personal income month over month, and we have the core PCE coming in. And so again, these are indicators that people go off of for inflation and things like that, and they'll use this as fuel to fear the market or come up. But right now, we're actually coming back up. The market's looking pretty green right now, so this could have been baked in already, and we could actually see some positivity. Bitcoin's starting to come back. We're only 25%, $25 down on the day. Like I said, if Bitcoin comes back and we can get back into the $100,000 range, we'll be sitting pretty good. Just Kill a Whale, thanks so much for gifting 5 more memberships to the A team. Appreciate you, dude, a ton. If Killowell actually gifted you a membership, please say thank you to him. And all the people that are new now, the 5 new members, welcome to the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel, and I appreciate it a ton. Anonymous, what do you think about HBAR's price target for the next year? I put out a video today, if you guys don't know. People were actually saying I was kind of low. I said I could see, I could hope with their, I like saying, I know people were correcting me on how I say it. I like to say NVIDIA. And some people are saying it's NVIDIA, whatever. I like to say NVIDIA and Intel obviously are investing some things in HBAR, if you guys don't know, which is super bullish for HBAR. And so I honestly think that this is without this could easily hit a 5x from right now, which would put about a 150. I think that that's a reasonable number. And even if you had a 5x, which is puts it right around a $50 billion market cap, which would put it right there in the top, which would put it right there where, Dogecoin is, and, right between Dogecoin and Solana. And I think that that's a powerful, Hedera is a powerful enough blockchain that's getting a lot of hype that in the bull run, when everything else moves up, I think Hedera can obviously gain a lot of traction. So Hedera, I've gotten more and more bullish throughout the weeks now on Hedera. I've been bullish on it for a while. We've held it for a long time, but now I'm even more bullish on it with that news coming out. So yeah, great stuff with Hedera. HBAR is so much better than anything out there. Oh, I'm with you, BG. I'm with you. I think Hedera has a really good shot of hitting the top 10 cryptos. I think if any of these hit the top 10, I think Hedera is right there. I do. Did BTC ever hit that 94 mark that we were talking about? Oh, yeah, dude. It came down to, well, no, I think it came down. Let's take a look here. It came down to, let's zoom in a little bit here. I think the lowest it got was right around there. And that hit right at the 95, right at the 95 level is where it hit. But we already said that it's going to be about a 7% down, right? So I said about a 7% down, and this actually went to 10. So I said right around the 99 to 98 range is where I said, and it actually came down further. So I wasn't 100% right, but I knew that it was going to come down. We were going to have a drop. The next day we were going to have a drop. And based off of the 8 and the 7, I thought it was going to be somewhere in the 7.5 range based off the two averages of that. But it came down to about a 10% drop. So a little bit more came off than I anticipated. But still, I mean, even if you were to buy in at the levels up here, you should, let's see, if I said 7.5, that puts you about 98. So yeah, you'd still be down a little bit. But it dropped further than I actually thought it was going to. That's for sure. Every time I see Austin, procrastination reminds me that I need to trim my beard. I saw Sol go under $2 and bought in. I don't love it though. Sol's sitting at what? What is Sol sitting at right now? Sol's sitting at $1.98. Not bad. Head 190, shoulders 220. Oh, you're talking about for George? You're talking about for XRP? I'm not worried. I just want Trump in. I want to hear more good news. Yeah, I'm with you. I'm with you on that, dude. Crow dead. Crow's just a slow mover, dude. It's just like Cardano, just a really, really slow mover. So, yeah, just a slow mover here. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart's looking really bullish on here on the RSI. The last 8 hours have looked really good for this to come back out of this. Like I said, the 4-hour chart, we have we're in the positive now. We're at the 13.95 and continue to climb up to the 20 for the 4-hour, which is really good. So that's kind of stuff you want to see. Let's see the 12-hour charts. Obviously, this is starting to come back above. We're starting to get some positive price action again on the 12-hour chart. So that's looking good. The 1-hour chart, obviously, I don't really go off of the 1 hour, but the 1 hour is coming up. So that is good from that side. Let's take a look at HBAR. HBAR is looking the same thing, coming up good on the 1 hour. The RSI has obviously come down, but it's flattened out now here at the right at the 20 marker. It's flattened out. It's actually about 19, which is good. And then the 12-hour, we're actually coming back up. So we're hoping that this will trigger it to go back up, and we'll see where this goes. Again, the one positive thing here is that on this liquidation event right here for HBAR, we didn't see another low. So you can see right here, this low came down to about 23. This low came down to about 25. So that's a positive sign that we haven't actually created a new low yet. So I'm hoping that we can actually bust out of this and continue on the upward trend. So, well, look at dude. Hedera just announced today. Hedera just came out and announced that they're working with NVIDIA and Intel to create an AI model. So, dude, I mean, that's super bullish on the AI side. Yeah, VeChain's always been sort of a sleeping giant for sure. I like VeChain. VeChain's good. What's going on with Pepe? Yeah, Pepe is a little rough. If you guys are in the again, I don't mean to pull up meme coins here. Again, meme coins are more of the these are traded off emotion. You can see this. Look at this massive rally right here, right? What happens? What do we say happens? It gets pulled back. Massive rally, it gets pulled back. So we'll probably, continue to build out of this. But this is this is all based off liquidity, but I mean, yeah, this is down a lot right now. Let's see. I mean, you have a chance if it goes back up here, you have a chance to get a 56% return. But yeah, it came down pretty hot. Let's take it from right here. Down 37%, dude. That's a big drop. A lot of people liquidating their positions in Pepe for some reason. But you know, the whole market got liquidated. It's not just Pepe. Here we go. Bitcoin back in the green, just like we expected, just like we were saying. We look at the charting here, just what we were saying earlier. So yeah, the day charts are showing us that this is going to be in the green. So all indicators are pointing that tomorrow is going to be a green day. But like I said, we could be wrong. But I mean, indicators are showing a green day. 2 down, 1 up. 2 down, 1 up. 2 down. We hope we have 1 up and we continue to go up, or we trade a little bit sideways like we see here. We'll usually go up, trade a little sideways, go up. So yeah, the good thing is we did not create a new low. Even with Bitcoin, this is the low down here at 91. We're sitting here at 94. We didn't create a new low right here at 93. So again, very positive signs for Bitcoin. Even with that sell-off, we did not create a new low. Another bullish sign. So some people are still bearish about this. Some people obviously are putting shorts on this, but I am for sure bullish on the next leg here. So anonymous, thanks so much for the 199 price predictions for HBAR next year. Yeah, I was saying I feel pretty confident. Like I said, I don't know for sure, but I definitely feel that, I mean, I hope it gets into the $1.50 range for me. That's where I sort of have my eyes, my sights for it. And I think with the news coming out, with working with large companies like Intel, Nvidia, and things like that, I mean, sky's the limit for HBAR. HBAR could be a great mover for a lot of people. But again, to each our own. Some people don't believe that. Some people don't really care for it, and that's okay. You know, when HBAR pumps to the top 5 with the XRP, Austin's going to look from the future. He's going to look like I'm from the future. Is that what you're telling me? Is that what you're telling me, D5? Second week of crypto, bought the whole, but damn, watching this play out the last few days has an interesting. Yeah, if you're new to crypto, this is the. That's why I said crypto. What do I tell you guys, dude? Crypto is extremely unrelenting. It is. It could definitely make you grow some gray hair pretty quick. Are you live on X? I think so. Did I go live on X? I don't know. I don't know if I did or not. Let's see. Someone texted me here too, so maybe something came up here. Yeah. Oh, Wadi just sent me a text saying that HBAR is the top performing. It's the top performing crypto in the last 90 days. And that's pretty bullish if you ask me. Where can I find the indicators on the markups trading to mirror with mine? You know, right here, you can actually come over here and you can see, if you can zoom in on my thing right here, I have all my indicators over here. So take a screenshot of this. If you'd like, I could, I don't know if I can actually zoom in, but you could take a picture or a screenshot of this here. I'll make a bigger, I'll make it bigger for you here real quick. And then you can take a screenshot of it. All right, here you go. Take a screenshot of that. And then, right here in the corner, and, you can match the indicators and do what you need to do. Yeah, just right on TradingView as well. So, let's see here. You got to wait to show when the people are fed. You didn't say that you would be. You did say that you wouldn't be on this morning. I did say it. I know people are getting mad at me, dude. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Some people were like, going at it, man. I was like, oh my gosh. It's nothing but love, though. You buying, don't get fooled. Just keep buying, don't get fooled. Ava, yeah, Ava's good, man. Jason C, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Thanks for the HBAR tip. Got in at 26 cents, and I can get some tax tips. Oh, dude, you got the tax tips. I don't know. When Dr. GJ comes in the house, you guys, you can talk to the CPA, all right? But outside of that, that's awesome. We got the 26 level. So you obviously set a buy limit there. You had to get that 26 marker, most likely, unless you were watching it really closely. But yeah, you probably had to hit that. I got HBAR 10 cents, dude. That's awesome, BG. That is a good buy. 10 cents is fantastic, dude. Yep, a lot of us were buying it at 5, but 10 cents is really good. Unequal storing XRP on the McRib sandwich. Heck yeah, dude. Get that McRib sandwich. XRP is going up while everything else is going down. I think the whole market's going up right now. Market's looking pretty good over here. We can go back and look at the overall chart here. Let's refresh it, and we could probably see the last hour things are moving pretty good. You know, Bitcoin's up 1.4% in the last hour. XRP up 1.88. but overall, I mean, this has come back pretty significantly. I mean, we're talking Dogecoin's down. Dogecoin was down like 25%, dude. That's probably one of the biggest drops I've seen. Avalanche is still down 24.99%. I mean, some of these are actually pretty good deals when you start to look at it. I mean, they most likely will bounce back. Pepe was down over 30% on the day. So, yeah, pretty interesting to see how this is going to play out. But overall, I think we're starting to make a little bit of some movement back in. So, do you mess with XLM? Yeah, I do mess with XLM. I don't talk about it enough. It's not my largest bag. That's why. But XLM's hanging in there right now. I mean, it's up. It's doing well. It usually mirrors that of XRP. But the good thing is, like I said, HBAR is up almost 6% right now. Look at this. HBAR is coming up hot, dude. This was probably one of the better purchases. Like I was telling you guys, it's probably one of the better purchases on that trade. I honestly think it might have been one of my better. Twice now, I've had a pretty good day trade with Hedera. Yeah, it's looking pretty good, dude. Austin, please let me know how we can do the volume on the trading view. Oh, this is just it's called just type in VR VP, or if you want to, you can type in the whole thing, and that's right here called the visible range volume profile, and that's how you can do it. And then down below, I use there's a lot of little things you can use down here. This one's called the variable volume oscillator, so you can actually type in variable volume oscillator, and that will tell you the other volume going up. So Sui's a good time to buy now. What do you guys think? I think Sui's going to do good. Yeah, it's doing well. I think a lot of these top ones are coming back, but Sui's coming back a little bit. Obviously, it's come down 10%. This thing was trading at $4 and like 85 cents down to $4. So I mean, it's obviously taking a tumble like most of the cryptos out there. But yeah, still going to do well. It's still a top crypto now. This guy is cashing out for the night, even though I shouldn't. Might just put a stop loss and let it ride to die. All right, dude. You're going to ride or die. All right. Hey, man, do your thing. Do your thing. We got 1,013 people in here watching right now. Appreciate each and every one of you. We got about 269 people over here on TikTok. Thank you guys for joining in tonight on this Thursday, December 19th evening where I'm at. I don't know where you guys, it could be morning. I don't know. But yeah, thanks for being here. You've been MIA all day. Thought the market got you. No, J Dubs. I've had a lot of things to do, right? Holidays are coming in. You got family coming in. We got a lot of stuff happening. So, like I said, I told everyone, I tried to warn everyone I wasn't going to be in. So, yeah, I obviously didn't get to everyone. So, you should do an 18 meme coin? Absolutely not. There's no way, dude. What crypto would you suggest? I'm still sitting with that. I'm still sitting with what we're talking about, Dylan. I'm with the XRP, the HBAR, that kind of stuff. Those are the ones that excite me the most right now, just because we spend so much time doing it. I've been following you for 2 weeks now and just subscribed to huge XRP XLM holder and a few others. What's the A team all about? Well, I appreciate you being here, Brett. The A team is the strongest team in all of crypto right now, man. I think that we're one of the fastest growing. That's for dang sure. And everyone here is super positive and just here to see everyone grow and continue to do well in the space. That's what it's really about. So, Knight, thanks so much for the $2 donation, dude. Thoughts on S&P? Is it going to keep going down? We'll probably recover. I'm hoping that we baked in this, like it said right here. Where did it say in here? Said right here, investors are now looking ahead to November's reading of the personal consumption expenditures from the Federal Reserve. They said the report, which is set to release on Friday, can take an even more significance after Fed Jerome Powell indicated this week that PCE will likely show the 12-month inflation rate to be above the central 2%. So he already flashed that out for us. So he already told us there that we should expect this to be that the inflation rate is actually going to be high. So he already gave us a sort of an Easter egg. Which is kind of good, right? But he said whatever the reaction is going to be, it's probably going to be more severe one way or the other. It would have been prior to seeing the Fed really increase those expectations. So he's saying that right here that this basically could have been a good thing that he actually said this in yesterday's meeting versus then getting this and having another shock on the market. So I'm hoping that we already had a shock on the market. We're already baking in what we're going to expect tomorrow. So I hope the S&P 500 comes back. I mean, it's only 22 points down on the day, which actually is not that bad. So yeah, we'll see what happens. The futures are not looking the greatest right now, but hopefully those futures change in the next coming hours. Austin, do you think the dips continue for a couple more days? Like I said, it's hard to predict. I mean, you know, if you like, I'm looking at these indicators. I keep telling you guys. I mean, these indicators show us that we're probably going to be at least tomorrow. I mean, at least the next 24 hours. We should. I'm hoping that we're in the green. I don't know how the market's going to react tomorrow to the reports. Like I said, I hope they're baked in, and we're gonna find out here by 6:30 tomorrow. You know, 6:30 a.m. to 7 a.m. tomorrow. We'll find out if it's actually baked in. And if it's not, then we're obviously going to drop. So that's why I said it's super important that if you are day trading, swing trading, whatever you're doing, before you go to bed, make sure you put your stop loss, and then make sure you actually put a buy limit in as well, right? Just think to yourself, okay, where would if this were to drop another 5% or another 3%, where would I want to purchase at? Set that limit, because you're going to sell, which then will allow you to buy. So just set those losses. And if they don't, just wake up in the morning and cancel those or keep them. It's up to you. So SHIB and Chainlink partnership, did they really? All right. Austin, how come I see reports of South Korea Crow trading at $50, but 230? I don't know, Dr. Gonzo. That's kind of wild if it's actually trading like that. I checked it. I'm sorry. I'm a little behind on the chat right now. Here, let me Sydney, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. I appreciate it so much. I'm going to keep scrolling down to try to get to the bottom of the chat here. So if I miss your comments, I will try to maybe get back to it. Would you ever use an AI trader? Probably not, Andrew. I like to trade myself, dude. That's kind of, maybe I'm a little old-fashioned that way. Intel, NVIDIA, HBAR, yeah, double bottom. That's pretty legit, huh? Hello, it's a great night. RS Miller, yes, it is. Hey, Austin, just subscribe. Been tuning in the past couple weeks. Fun and informative. Got this the game on with your live stream in the background, and it's a blast. Keep it up. Oh, see, I appreciate that a ton. Thank you very much for the kind words, and thank you so much for subscribing and now becoming an official member of the A team. You're awesome. Thank you very much. Love HBAR. Heck yeah, Linda. What do you think of HBAR price could get to? Yeah, I was saying I made a video talking about how to get to, why I'm even more bullish about it getting to $1.50. I mean, obviously it's working with Intel and NVIDIA to make an AI generated to basically call out fake AIs. We need that in this space, dude. I actually just had someone text me saying they totally got screwed over by the little the commercials that come on before my stream, where it talks about Brad Gardenhouse, you know, send one crypto for the price of two or whatever it is. Someone was telling me that they actually sent money over to that, and I was kind of like, wow, that's crazy. But that's an AI generated video out there, and no one knows whether it's fake or real. And it's like, you know, so they are working with HBAR, NVIDIA, and that of Intel are working with HBAR to create a basically a system that can tell you whether AI is real or not. And I think that's great. Austin, do you think the dip continues? We'll see. I mean, I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm hoping, based off what we're seeing here, it doesn't. But it very well could. We have, like I said, the data's coming out tomorrow right here with the Fed's preferred inflation readings. So we'll see what the inflation readings are. But yeah, we'll have to sort of see. And then plus we're looming right now with a potential shutdown. So we have a government shutdown looming right now too. Don't forget about that. That could impact a lot of things too. Having a shutdown in the United States government is not the greatest thing either. Yeah, that's pretty cool, huh? That's pretty cool. When transfer to wallet, I honestly keep do your you're saying, oh, when you transfer, well, they should tell you what your average price is. It depends on the wallet that you got. What wallet are you actually moving it into? Yeah, it depends on the wallet. Hey, Austin, do you think the dip continues? I don't know. Best place to be is home. Yeah, I think that. Let's see here. You warned us. Did I? Hope I did, Jason. It's Friday morning here. Mohammed, where are you at, dude? Austin, can you say hola, cómo estás? I don't know. Vatos locos. Was that like crazy guys? Hola, cómo estás? Vatos locos. Crazy. Is that like crazy homeboy? Is that what that says? Vatos is homeboy, right? I think that's right. You got a good chat room here? Yeah, we got a really good chat room here, honestly. I think it's probably one of the better ones we've had. We got a good amount of people here watching and talking. So Tron, I'm you know, Tron's okay. Like I said, I'm not gonna. I hope anyone in Tron actually does really, really well. So, what about Goatcoin? Know nothing about it. Yeah, Tron. I hope Tron does well, just for the people that's in there. Everyone, give my man a like. Yeah, yeah, definitely hit that like. Appreciate you, Catnip Crypto. Yeah, make sure you hit that like button. I'm hearing conversation XRP around 15 bucks. Anybody else heard that? There's a lot of predictions out there for sure about where XRP could go. Like I said, I'm just kind of bullish on where it's at right now. I mean, we were out here buying this up, and yeah, super excited to sort of see it come back to life again. Anytime we're in the green, it's looking good. Madison, thanks so much for the $2, dude. ETH and Yearn Finance. I don't know anything too much about Yearn Finance. Obviously, I love ETH. ETH is my second largest bag in crypto. So yeah, I don't know if I've ever really dealt with the whole Yearn thing here. Do you like Caspa? Yes, I like Caspa. Caspa's good. And thanks so much, Madison, for the $2. Exit strategy for XRP. Any advice? A lot of us are holding it. I don't know if there's an exit strategy unless you're doing some day trades, which we've talked about what to do for the day trades. A few weeks ago, I was about to fall for that scam, dude. Really, concrete. God, I'm so glad you didn't, dude. I'm so glad we probably saved some people at least. You got your Ledger Flex. That's good, dude. Shutdown's bad for crypto. Your thoughts? I mean, yeah, any shutdown's not good, dude. How much will it affect it? I don't know, but I mean, any shutdown isn't good. So, they'll probably come to some deal. They always do. I don't think we've actually had a true shutdown in the markets. Thoughts on XDC? Yeah, XDC. I like XDC. Well, gas fees are just basically for blockchains, dude. So, I mean, you're just paying a fee for it to be moved across the blockchain, and those fees are usually used to help secure the transaction, help pay for validators, stuff like that. So, shut the government down. Boomer could use a free vacation. Shut it down. I need some furloughs. What time will the news come out of the UK time? Let's see. So if it's 6 a.m. here, then you guys are 8 hours ahead of us. So you're probably what? If it's 6 a.m. here, it's what, 2 a.m. or 2 p.m. there? Because if it's 6, because when it's 1, what is it? When it's 1 a.m. Because when it's 10 a.m., it's 6 p.m. there. Yeah, right. So yeah, should be about that time, 2 p.m. where you guys are. At least where I'm from. Great channel. Ellenson, thank you so much, man. Brad is our daddy. He ain't leaving the milk anytime soon. Oh my gosh. Austin, did you buy HBAR at the 5 cents with me? Yeah, we were buying a little. I didn't put a big bag in. I was a little hesitant at first, right? With it. So we bought HBAR. We were buying HBAR back. Actually, I like it better over here. I can see this better when I go over here. It was right around, and you know who was I was watching at the time when HBAR was Mason on TikTok, dude. He kind of sold me a little bit on the HBAR thing. But yeah, it's right back over here. Nope. It had to have been right back in here somewhere, dude. It was like June of 2023. That's when that like whole hype came out. It was like right around here talking about, and I was Mason. It was you obviously were talking about in the chat, and then Mason, I can never remember that guy's name, but he was all over TikTok talking about it, and I was like, dude, that's actually pretty legit. That's where, like, we're talking about the hash graph and everything like that. And I was like, okay, cool. And so yeah, and then I wrote this up. We hit these up here, and I was like, oh my gosh, this thing's actually legit. Dude, I just doubled my money. And then I wrote it down, and I've read it, and then obviously purchased some more, and then yeah, here we are. So what's your predictions on Phantom? I don't know enough about it. I haven't invested any in that. So what do you think about the potential high for tonight? Potential high for tonight. That's a hard one to predict the night highs. I don't know. I mean, I think that we're obviously in the green right now. The good thing is we're having a pull. We're already pulling back. I mean, HBAR is back at 28.5. HBAR is back to where it was at when the fallout happened. So it was right around 29 when the fallout happened. So HBAR is almost back to where it was, right? We're back to filling this this fair value gap is already filled back up right here. So it could come back down and hit around this like 27 marker if it were to, and then move itself back up. But yeah, right now, I mean, it's doing pretty good. It filled that gap up pretty quick. Let's look at XRP. XRP was sitting at 2. Well, this one's hard because this one came down pretty hot from the news of RLUSD, right? Here's the news of RLUSD, which is right here, and then it's come down really hot. So I think that we're probably going to come back up to this. I mean, what I'm hoping for is we come back up to like this 245 level would be nice. But I mean, I really want to get back up to 250. But this 240, 245 range is like looking good for that one. But HBAR, yeah, XLM's the same way. So this is the fallout right here. So I'm hoping that let's go the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart's a little bit easy. So we're gonna probably come back up and be probably in the 38 mark, 38 cent mark, maybe even the 39 cent mark, somewhere back up in this average. So yeah, I think that's probably about if I had to think or predict. Does Doge recover? Probably. I think Doge will probably recover. I mean, it's a top crypto. It's always had its ups and downs, but it always seems to recover. I keep telling Elon, I'm like, you could do my job. Mason hard in the paint for Hardare. Yeah. I can't ever say his last. I don't know his last name, but yeah, he definitely was big on the Hedera thing. So XRP too, all that good stuff, all the ISOs. Let's see here. Thanks so much for the follows over here. Please share thoughts on short-term, long-term pricing. I mean, a lot of us already bought for all long-term. We're buying 3 years ago, 2 years ago. You got that Seth Rogen vibe? Oh, really? Let's up and go. What's up, Val? Off the Binance blockchain layer 2. Dude, don't forget to hit that like button. Yeah, I appreciate you, Big Watch. Thanks so much, man. We have it's good to see you too. Let's see here. We got about 1,000 people watching right now. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Appreciate you guys being here. Let's see here. Brandon, thanks so much for the $2 donation. Can you elaborate on? I have no idea what that is, dude. I don't know what that is, but I appreciate the $2. I have no idea what that is, though. I think that's been all in my comment section. Coinbase wallet good. Coinbase wallet's all right. Which is the AVAX is good. AVAX is gonna bounce back. AVAX is a top crypto. And I don't pull it up too often, but I mean, we can take a quick look. I mean, AVAX is down 24% over the last 7 days, dude. So this has come down pretty hot. It's come down pretty hot over the last 7 days. Look at that. That is a rough 7 days right there. AVAX has a shot to do well. Yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see if it'd be about to get back to its all-time high. It'd have to about 3x from where it's at, and it's already sitting at a $16 billion market cap. So I put it roughly. I'd probably put it in the 50s, 50, 60 billion market cap to get back to its all-time high. Well, where was it at right here? Yeah, we're talking probably. Well, they must have added more. Yeah, they definitely added more circulating supply, which is why it's harder to get to it. So those are the worst tax debt robocalls. I agree, Trent. Advancing to Austin. I have not looked at Vanna, John. I have not, or Vanna. Feel like I'm late to the buying party in XRP, currently holding a good amount. Average is around the 230, but feel like I missed the best part of these days. Yeah, you just gotta, when it's on the red is when really when it's the red days or the red days are the best days. I know it sounds crazy. Red days when everyone's like going hysterical, but those are the days that you should open up. Like you should be really like, okay, I'm ready. Like here's the days that I'm ready for. I just got crypto when XRP was at $1.06 on November 22nd, my first purchase. Then I got a God push, and he told me to buy at 12 cents on HBAR. So I didn't, and I blew my XRP bag out of the dude. That's awesome, Trisha. Yeah, HBAR has a good chance to do really, really well in this space. HBAR is definitely an exciting bag to watch. So I would agree with you. That's awesome to hear. Those are the new. You got it at the perfect time, Trisha, and I couldn't be happier for you. How's the Hawk Tua doing? That's some wild stuff right there. Is XYO worth investing in over Pepe? Well, I think they're kind of different, right? One is a DPIN application, and the other one is just a meme coin. So I think that they're kind of different. They're actually way different. But I actually looked into XYO, and I mean it's a pretty solid. They got some solid stuff going there. And I know a lot of people actually like XYO, but if you like sort of what they're doing with the whole DPIN thing, I mean it's pretty cool. I don't own any XYO. I definitely put it on my little watch list, but I haven't bought any. And Pepe, yeah, Pepe's a top meme coin. It's established meme coin. People are they're gonna ride these waves, dude. So Pepe should hold strong. I don't see why not. A lot of the meme coins took a big hit. Bonk, Whiff, Shib, Pepe, Doge, they all took a big hit, but usually money flows back into those things. And yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm not gonna. It's an established meme coin. So crypto wallets. I'm just a big MetaMask guy. So you bought Hawk last month, damn Dino. I don't know what that is, Big B. I don't know if I even. Yeah, I don't do too many pre-sales. Was there any good news on the crypto today? Was tanking, looking for better news? Yeah, the news. I mean, it's starting to get positive now. We're starting to come into the green now. Tomorrow is going to be a very interesting day for crypto, just because, like I said, we have right here. You can see we have these forecasts coming out here: the personal spending and the personal income, and then we have the core PCEs data. So yeah, it's going to be an interesting day. Tony Punch, what's going on, dude? So on a dump on me for the last 7 days, still holding when it comes back up. Yeah, those are DCA moments too. If you have the extra funds to, dollar cost average your way into a position. I don't hold Ondo, dude. Rob's Got It is the guy on the channel that holds Ondo. Well, there's a lot of people here who hold Ondo. The only thing that's, the only thing that I'll be honest with you, the only thing that turns me off with this whole project is the unlocking of tokens, right? So we know that they're going to be unlocking tokens to private sellers and protocol developers, and there's just a lot of money that comes out. Look at this. January 18th of 2025, they're locking 2.57 billion Ondos, which is about worth $4.57 billion. That's 25 of their max supply, and they're allocating roughly 430 million to private sellers. And so when it comes to these token allocations, these kind of, I'm gonna be honest, not that this is bad, I just don't like it. I don't like when there's tokens given to people. You know what happens when there's tokens that get given to people? People sell it. And that makes the price go down. And so you can see this only gets bigger and bigger every month. Look at that, or every time, right? It goes to 860, then it goes to 1.29 billion. And so it just keeps stepping up every year. So January 18th, I don't think is going to be the kindest thing to Ondo just because of their token allocation. The good thing here is that they have on the 24th here, or it's actually going to be, you can see how they unlock their tokens over the days, right? So every day they unlock a certain amount of tokens for their holders starting on, this is going to be on January 12th. Sorry, January 18th. That's when they start dropping them in there. So I don't know, man. I don't know. It's up to you. It's up to you guys. I'm just saying that's just my personal view. I think a lot of us have been in this space before, and when there's a lot of tokens allocated to private sellers, it's not the funnest thing to have. I don't know what those people are going to do with it. So how much is the parlay? You getting out there with those parlays? Oops. Austin, I think you should get the Dymo miner for your car. You won't regret it. I have to look into that. What is that? Dymo miner? Dang. All right. So PCE is up. We are good short term, right? Well, we want we don't want we don't want core inflation to be up. We don't want the inflation to be up. We want it to be down. But the thing is, they've already said that we had increasing inflation. So we want inflation to go down. Unfortunately, we went up to 0.2%. Like you see right here, forecast is 0.2. So I'm hoping that it's 0.2. So the good thing is they're forecasting 0.2. We hope that it's 0.2. As long as it hits the forecast, you're fine. What happens is that they put a forecast where it's saying that we went down 0.2 and we went up 0.2. That will completely shock the market. So I think that we already are pricing in this because we're expecting it to be. We're forecasting 0.2, and that's what we think it's going to come in at. If it comes in at like 0.3 or 0.4, expect the market to take a dump. If we come in at 0.1, expect the market to blow up. If we come in at 0.2, I think we're going to just stay status quo and just keep building up. But yeah, we don't want to miss when you miss a forecast in the stock market, there's just panic. I mean, that's usually what happens. I sold my hawk. I was hoping to skyrocket it. Yeah, that's crazy. The hawk toy thing was nuts. Yeah, what a ride, dude. News people are just gonna get bullish at the end of the bull market and ride it all the way down to 2000. That's usually what happens. That's the 95% of people. I got a lever position open on Ondo, got me frustrated. Yeah, the token allocations is the only thing that gets me a little. It just gets me a little. Just something to think about. Like I said, it's not. I'm not saying it's a bad project or anything like that. It's just that's the kind of stuff that worries me. I don't want to be someone's exit liquidity. You know what I mean? Especially if we're on this run. I think you should get a diamond. Okay, I have to check that out. Making true diamond minder. 70% was going to create. I read somewhere 70% was going to the creator of Ondo. That's a lot. That's a lot. Feel terrible hearing all you saying. You've been sitting for years. I'm fully aware. I was lucky for now, but learning, dude, that's all. Yeah, dude, it happens, man. Some people get super lucky, dude. Trust me, we made money in the last bull market. You just keep riding the bull. You just keep riding the waves, and you make your trades, and you do your stuff. But yeah, a lot of people we're down on their bags, but yeah, some people get lucky, and the only thing you got to do is just make sure you don't ride your bag back down. That's all. But yeah, that's awesome to hear. Uphold paying 5% on ROSG beginning. Are they really? That's a pretty good percentage. Geez. Crypto pre-sales are like blind dates with the girl that's described as a really smart. Oh my God. Big A. XRP for the family trees that won just like buyers. Crypto is getting big when you see Coinbase while watching the NBA games. That's true, right? That's why you got crypto.com. What's been your worst day on crypto? Love the content, dude. I mean, I've already told everyone. There's probably new people in this. I bought into a project. I was fully dedicated to a project. Helped build a wallet for a project, and I was heavily personally invested in the project. And yeah, it just didn't go well. So that's my biggest crypto loss, and that's why just don't really dabble in a lot of that kind of stuff anymore, just because it's still my biggest loss. And it was more of being personally involved in a project. I wasn't a developer or anything like that. I just liked what the project was doing, and sort of wanted to help out, jumped in and helped create the interface for the wallet. And I was just personally heavily invested. I personally believed that the project was going to do well, and yeah, it just didn't do well. And I had a lot of money invested, and yeah, so you learn, you live and you learn, and yeah, I would never do that again ever. And you just continually build back what you lost. And I'm going to be honest with you guys. This run right here, yeah, I'm well back where I was, and I'm just happy about it. But yeah, trust me, dude, I have losses. That's my biggest loss for sure. A lot of people that have been here for a while know what I'm talking about, and it's definitely it's a learning experience for sure. Hey, Dr. Gonzo, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Why is XRP reported at $50 in South Korea but 230? That is wild. Is that really what's happening, Dr. Gonzo? I heard that. I think I heard someone say that. Was that you in the beginning? That's crazy. Should I buy a couple more hundred? It's up to you. Was it Safe Moon? No, it wasn't Safe Moon. Not that. Safe Moon was a lot bigger. But I mean, pretty much the same thing, right? I mean, that's why this is why it's really hard to trust people in the space, man. They kind of leave you out to dry. But that's in the past, and I don't look back anymore, and we move on to the future. And you can't control what happens in the past. You can only control what happens in the future. And so, obviously, that's all I'm focused on is how can I make it to where myself and anyone around me can win, and that's all that matters, dude. Yeah, Linda's about to go to bed, and then XRP is going to hit about 248. My Ledger Flex came in. Heck yeah, dude. Let me know how you like it, Tony. We need a charity coin staking system for the world hunger. There's been a lot of stuff like that for sure. All right, let's take a look at XRP. XRP's sort of slow now. Let's go to the 1 hour here. Yeah, the 1 hour just started. We have the 1 hour is going to end here. So yeah, it's probably going to end on the red maybe, and then we'll have a nice little bounce back on the next hour, hopefully. Austin, dude, $20 will be passed in January 20th. 9 a.m. Trump will make make America first again. Keep the faith in America. Yeah, Hawaii Rider. Yeah, I mean, January 20th is going to be a wild day, dude. January 20th will be a pretty crazy day. You know, like I said, regardless of whatever side of the aisle you're on, I could care less. We're here. I'm just here to make money, and if and that's really all that matters. So, and I'm happy. Like I said, I'm happy for that to happen. So I'm gonna try to stay for another 30 minutes. All right, Linda. I'll be there for the moment. I'm late to the party. What's up? What's up, World Fights? What's going on? Are you saying as a newbie you should try to take profits during the first cycle, or you hold your bag until the next bull? I'm saying that you should probably, if I were a new investor jumping into this, I would find entry points to come in. I would try to sell for a profit, and I would wait for the next bear market to then start accumulating your project again. If I were brand new, yeah, that's absolutely what I would do. What are your thoughts on XLM? Yeah, XLM's good, man. Yeah, we like XLM. I think it's good. I don't obviously focus on it as much, but it's definitely good. I think it's going to do well. It's going to follow that of Bitcoin, or sorry, that of XRP. Life savings. Thanks so much for the $2, dude. Why are you secretly shorting XRP? I actually am not shorting XRP at all. I can't. Coinbase doesn't even have they don't even have a derivative for X. I wish that they actually had. I wish they had it on Coinbase, but they don't. They have XLM. They have XLM for a future, but they don't have. Yeah, they got XLM, BTC, Ethereum, Doge, Link, Avalanche, Litecoin, Dot, BCH, and then they got SHIB. But those are the only ones on here for leverage trading or for futures. Kind of crazy. They don't have XRP. It's not smart swing trade with $100, correct? Because of the fees. Yeah, $100. Well, it's all based off the amount of money, Naomi. Right there. I mean, if you put $100 in, it's all based off of this. Let's just say they take 3%. I mean, you're paying $3 in fees. So, yeah, I mean, $100 is kind of hard to swing trade in, but it's up to you. It's up to you. That's where people take $100 and they'll go and they'll do a leverage trade. So that's where shorting the market or long in the market, you can actually go buy contracts. So, like, for instance, I decided to have fun. I don't ever leverage trade, but I finally did some yesterday just for fun. And I didn't really buy a whole lot, but I have let's see my orders here real quick. So I bought 4 contracts. I bought 4 long contracts. The average price is 97,000 90,000. Yeah, I think right now. So it's actually a different thing. So it's 97,625. And the price is down. So I put the longs in, and I'm actually down on my longs, but my thing doesn't expire till December 27th. And I only put $100 in just to play around. So you could buy contracts based off of whatever you want. So I put $100 in, and I'm only down like $20. But if it goes up, right? If we go up, I can 5x I have a 5x leverage on it. So if it goes up, you can actually make some pretty good money because instead of buying it for $100, I'm buying it for I'm basically using the 5x leverage, so I'm buying it for $500. You're leveraging your money for it. But again, if it goes the other way, you got to be able to capitalize. You got to be able to pay that if it expires. So, yeah, pretty crazy. But we'll see what happens. We have till the 27th, and I think that we're going to have we have roughly 8 days. So we'll see what happens. And it's only $100, so I'm not sweating it. What does leverage trading mean? You just basically you're leveraging a small amount of money to buy, and you're using a leverage to then buy larger amounts of an asset. That's really what it comes down to. You can take $100, you can buy a contract, and then you say for instance, you like this one right now. If I wanted to buy a Bitcoin contract right now, you can go in, you can do some leverage, you can go into your derivatives, you can say a future. I'm going to go right now. You can see right here. So you can see right here, I'll put this up to the camera. So you have this derivative right here, and you can see that you can buy into this. So I have right now, like in my cash account, I have like $4,000 in my cash account right now. And basically, you can come in here and you could buy a long or you could sell a short. So you can actually come in, you could buy and create a long, or you can create a short, whatever you want to do. So if you want to buy a long, you click buy long, and then it comes in, it shows you your limit prices, your market, your stop limit, your brackets. You can do whatever you want. So right now, the total price to buy this one contract for Bitcoin is $271 to buy one of the contracts. And you can leverage trade anywhere from leverage trade of 3 to 5. And so right now, if I put it on 3, that means that my notional value, which is basically what I'm actually using to purchase, is $975. So that's my leverage. So I'm buying $975 worth of Bitcoin in that process. So that's really what it is. But again, if it goes up, you make money off that leverage. But if it goes down, you need to compensate for that leverage that you just took, that you're actually borrowing. And so again, if it goes south, you could lose not only the money that you put in there, you're also going to be down whatever you lose when it goes down in price. So by a 5x. So you got to be very careful with it. Hope that makes sense. F the leverage in the shorts, don't do it. Oh, I only long if I do it 2-1. I only put longs in. I don't ever short the market. I usually only put longs in for some reason. That's just kind of what I do. Let's see here. Hey Austin, can you break down actually staking XRP and DeFi? Well, it depends on which wallet you have. Is where you could stake it. So it all depends. I mean, you could do it right on your ledger if you wanted to. So you can go into your ledger. I think you can actually stake on your ledger. I haven't done it, but I'm pretty sure you can. Let's see. You can go into your ledger here. Let's go to wallet. You can go to earn. There's an earn on there. Yeah, you could earn. Let's see. Earn. You could put it in there. Let's go XRP. Where's my XRP? I've never moved it over. So, oh, you can't actually stake it on there. But yeah, you can have rewards. You can do it in Ethereum. You can do it in Cosmos. You can get a 21.87% APR if you put it into Cosmos. So for every $100 you put in, you can earn up to $24. So yeah, you can go into your ledger and you can stake in your ledger. There's some pretty good APRs in here. Damn. But again, you got to click on the learn more about it and before you actually do it, because I don't know how long they make you hold it. So John, what's up, John? Good to see John in the house. AI changed their prediction to XRP to be 17. Really? All right. All right. Yo, Austin, what are your thoughts on XCN, ONX? Ryan, I don't know if I know enough about it. Where can I say the retest areas for XRP? I think I still stand like the retest the areas. So let's take a look at XRP here. I'm gonna go back to this chart here. So yeah, I mean, we could probably let's look at the trend here. So we probably have. Let's go to 4 hours. The 4 hours a little better. I mean, yeah, we could probably come back down to the 20. It's gonna be interesting to see if we actually retest anything. Because right now the moving average is 234. We're at 232. So I think we will probably. I mean, we could potentially take over that in about. We'll see here in about 15 minutes. We'll see the next hour chart here. So let's see what the next hour chart will bring. Before I say anything, I'd like to see if we actually bump above the moving average in the next hour. Yeah, hit the like in. Oh, there's a deeper. Oh, Oh, I say so. ONX is actually connected to XLM. Gotcha. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. As long as it's staked, it's on the blockchain, so it'll move. If it goes up to, you bought it for 100, it goes up to 1,000. Your thing's gonna move with it. It just actually will then be worth more money. So I do. I stream. Linda, I stream at 10 a.m. I mean, I didn't mean what's earlier. I don't. Where are you actually located? Are you in Texas or something? Is that why it's I guess it's probably what 11 o'clock there. Awesome, bro. When do you think $20 will be passed for XRP? Oh man, that's tough to say. I'm hoping it gets past. I'm hoping it gets past the 5. I don't know why. Let's see here. What do you think tomorrow's going to be like? It's gonna be interesting to see how tomorrow plays out. I'm hoping it's all baked in, dude. Owen Bright, thanks so much for the $2. Did you see HBAR in the video? I did. I made a video about it. Owen made a video about it. No one liked my video. I was kind of like, oh man, dude, that got derailed. All my XRP videos do really well. I made 3 videos yesterday, or I made 3 videos today. Dropped 3 videos today. Some of them did good. The Hedera one didn't do too hot. I will admit. For some reason, it didn't do that hot. You can see right here, one I was saying, I'm buying. How can HBAR hit $1.50? Just look at the partnerships. So I made this one out here. Yeah, 1,600 views in 5 hours. But yeah, I think this is good. This is actually really, really good for HBAR. Ryan, dude, thanks so much for the $50, dude. Gosh, dang, dude. Are you yeehawing hard or hardly yeehaw win? Thank you so much for the $50. I don't know. Is that a crypto? What is that? A crypto or something? Yeehaw win? Maybe I'm reading that wrong. I don't know. Thanks again for the $50, man. That's crazy, Ryan. L. Damn. All right. Appreciate you a ton, dude. I liked your video, all yours and all the ones fans put out. I know, Kai, you are a G for that, dude. I will admit, you are a G for that. HBAR, what's that? Oh, big watch. So should I just stake it in Cosmos on Coinbase? I'm holding long term. Would Cosmos price affect Coin's price? Lebo, I would not stake on an exchange. That's my first thing. You think HBAR can hit 10K? No, dude. There's 10,000. I mean, that's a lot, dude. If it does, that's wild. I would not stake your stuff on a I'm gonna be honest, dude. I would not stake your stuff on Coinbase. I'd move it over to a ledger and do it on Ledger. At least you own the tokens at that point. Bro, make sure more than you do from you make more from than you do from donations in crypto now. You definitely an influencer now. Overcoming demons. I mean, I don't know if I don't really influencers just sound so dirty, dude. Is it just me or does like the what am I influencing? We're just talking about price. We're just talking about cryptos, entry points. Like I don't have any desire to influence anything. So I don't know. I like to be. If you want to say content creator, okay, I'll be on board. I'll be a content creator. I think that sounds a lot better than influencer. If I had to pick one. Realistically, what's your price prediction for XRP 2025? I would say anywhere from $7 to $10. I would be super excited for Samuel. Like I would be like beyond. I'd be speechless if it got to the $7 to $10 range. Where can you see HBAR going from here? All the way. I can see it going up, dude. I think there's a lot of positivity, Jay, and there's just a lot of room for growth too. Even if you look at market cap on it, I mean, I think there's just a lot of room for market cap growth on it. It's only sitting at roughly a 16. So it's sitting at about a $10 billion market cap. I think this could do really well. I think this market cap is actually not that bad for future growth. I mean, even if it were to get to 100 billion market cap, I mean that's a 10x from where it's at right now. That's putting it at about $2.80. And it all depends on how much usage it gets, and I think that it's right there for the taking. So. Chris. You're good. That's why good. All right. Yeah, calling yourself an influencer sounds narcissistic. I don't know why that word sounds so bad. I just don't like it. Like I make content, I talk about things I like to talk about, but like influencing sounds crazy. You influence the mood of trading crypto and put together a bad A team. You're more of a bro than an influencer. Appreciate you, World of Flight. Thanks so much for the $2, dude. That's where I like to hear that. Yeah, I'm a bro, dude. I'm not an influencer. Austin is like the kid that had a badass tree house, and we're all keep coming to hang out with Oz. Dude, to tell you the truth, I actually did have a badass tree house growing up. A tree house growing up. We had a pretty good one, dude. But I lived out in the country, so like No, we didn't like. We lived on 10 acres, 15 acres, so it was friends were far and few between. Right, you had to ride your bike 3 miles to hang out with a friend. I appreciate that. World of fights. ASMR ASMR fan drunk. Oh my gosh. FJB vetoed the bill. It passed the House and Senate. Oh, really? Did he veto the bill? Did it really pass it? I gotta look that up. Influence me harder. I'm messing with you because you said that you don't like you didn't like oh no, I know, but I'm not. I don't take it personal. Overcoming demons. I'm just playing. Yeah, it's just such a weird like influencers just so I don't know, but people unfortunately, like, I get it, dude. Influencers do have a bad precedence in this space. I mean, even me putting out a content today, I got comments on there where people were, saying what they said. It's like, hey, man, it's kind of a lose lose situation for anyone talking about crypto on these spaces. What's going on? Why everything drop and crash? Just news with the markets, man. Is everything okay with crypto, Jack Ireland? Yeah, I think so, man. Bro, how's XRP? XRP is doing good. Bonk's having a rough start. I'm feeling pretty good about tomorrow, dude. We're gonna see if we're gonna see what comes in here. Like I said, the good news should come out tomorrow. Was the forecast is 0.2. We're gonna probably hit 0.2. So, what's your assessment of seller? I don't know if I know it. Only fan girls call themselves influencers. You had a lot of pretend friends, Austin. Yeah, I did. Duck clip selfies before you can call yourself any. Oh yeah, that's funny, dude. You had friends. I put ants in spider webs growing up. Okay, that's weird. Well, it's Sabs, what's going on? Austin had to ride his bike 3 miles to find friends. I'm under the influence. I'm under the influence. I'll remind you of people like Jim Jones. Do you think HBAR will hit $10? I mean, maybe eventually it could. Yeah. I mean, yeah, I think there's always potential for things to do really, really well in this space. The hour's almost here. We got about 8 minutes to see where this hour chart goes right here. It's looking like it could be like a little doji candle right here, which actually could be very bullish. If this becomes like a little doji candle, that could be bullish. Don't trust Austin. He doesn't have a Bugatti. That's true, dude. I do not have a Bugatti. And I don't know if I'd ever get a Bugatti. Even if I had the money to get one, I don't know if I'd get one. When do I get to trade the Honda for the Lambo? Would you trade the Honda for the Lambo? You definitely agree. I appreciate that. I can't even say that word. Mbonza. Thank you so much. Let's yeah, we got 7 minutes. We'll see the next chart. Let's see here. How do you diversify 10K into crypto? How should I diversify? Just find the cryptos that you like. That's the biggest thing. Find the cryptos that you like. Yeah, I think it's gonna look good, Ghost. I think it looks good till the end. Any reason for the pump? I think we're just trying to build back out. So, what's Bugatti? It sounds like a sandwich. It does kind of sound like a sandwich, doesn't it? Austin, loan me $5. I want a 100x short on Solana, just not with my money. I know, right? There you go. Put that 100x short. Why Ledger versus Coinbase, and is that an app? Yeah, you could. Yeah, you do Ledger Live. You have to get a Ledger for it. And yeah, you have Ledger Live. So let's see here. Oh, life savings. Thanks so much for the $2 donation. I was influenced by to buy more XRP by Austin. Hopefully, you bought it at the 215 marker, and you're sitting pretty right now. Also, wouldn't it be all up to BTC regulating what XRP does? Yeah, I think it helps. I think it influences the market some. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, and again, life saving. Thanks so much for the $2 donation. Really appreciate that. I traded the Honda for the Camry. He's a Pagani type of guy. I don't even know if I know what that is. Let's see here. No reason to have one like we're gonna rally from January. We just got that well, that jumped. I was like, what the heck just happened? We're gonna rally from January ETH bottom. Yeah, I was showing this. I mean, we have a lot of good things coming up. Here's the golden entry. We're at this golden entry mark right here, going into the next year. 2020 bull run. We had a nice little rally. This is the 2024 bull run. Hopefully, we have a nice little rally. We got the this always seems to follow the dollar. When the dollar's down, we seem to rise. The dollar's down, we're gonna rise. I mean, the Christmas rally in 2016 bull run. We had a Christmas rally 2020. This is the 2020 bull run. Christmas we had a rally, and right now we're here with the Christmas 2024. Are we going to have a Christmas rally? It'd be very very interesting to sort of see. I don't know. Also following the dollar trend here, so there's potential for us to always hit this curve. We always seem to hit the curve, and right now that's exactly where we're at. Is potentially hitting the curve. Chameleon, thanks so much for gifting 10 memberships to the A team. If Chameleon actually gifted you a membership, please say thank you and welcome all 10 new A team members. Appreciate it so much for that. Thank you very much. If they donate to, please say thank you. That is super, super cool. Welcome, welcome, welcome. The signals between when it's going to be bearish and bullish. Well, I mean, right now, what's going to make the signal bearish for this? Let's go to the 4-hour chart here, or actually, let's go to the day chart. What's going to make this bearish is if we get another low. So if we say we go up here and then we create another low and we go below this one over here and you create a new low, that means that we've now created a new high to then create a new low. When we start to create new lows, it becomes bearish. So just realize that that's when it becomes bearish. So that's the trend you got to watch for. is when we start creating new lows. Right now we haven't created a new low, so it's all good. Ryan L coming in hot with another $20, dude. Hey, bro, look into XCN. I'm into XRP for sure, but XCN looks like the cool project to consider. Yeah, I think a lot of people here were actually talking about XCN. I actually don't own XCN. AT members, anyone here own XCN? I think a lot of people were actually talking about it a while back. It's the Onx coin thing. I think some people were actually mentioning it a lot. I don't own any, dude. It's definitely down pretty good right now, 95% overall, which is a lot. But I'll definitely take a look at it off script. It's on Coinbase. I mean, Coinbase. It's been on Coinbase for a long time. It's ranked 558 right now. So yeah, I'll definitely take a look offline. Does anyone here actually own XCN in the A team? Seiko, thanks so much for the 10 gifted memberships, dude. Seiko always holding it down. Appreciate you a ton, dude. If Seiko actually gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Seiko. And all 10 of you, welcome to the A team. You're officially now part of the channel, and I appreciate that so much, dude. Getting tired of being rugged? Yeah. Oh, you're saying, oh, you're shilling. My bad. We need a majority event. Do you know the percent of people who own the 2000 XRP more? Isn't it a pretty good amount? Oh, Coinbase and MoonPay talking about RLUSD. Oh, are they really, dude? Is XCN on sale like all crypto today? I think so. I think let's see, what's the day chart looking like? Yeah, it's 7% down over the it's actually up right now about 1.6%, but it's down about 10% over the last 7 days. So what's up, F Joe? Good to see F Joe. A team strong. Hell yeah, dude. I appreciate that. XCN isn't even ranked on CoinGecko. Oh, really? Papa Bear, thanks so much for becoming a member of the channel. You're officially now a member of the A team. Thank you very, very much. Really appreciate that. Welcome. No way. This is the bottom. Too long time to accumulate. We got to go lower and wick a fast low. You think we're gonna go lower, EB? Is that what you're saying? Yes, check the Ripple tweets. Okay, let's take a look at Ripple here. Spotlight, uphold. Okay, so they're talking about, yeah, MoonPay Shares why stablecoins are crypto's killer use case and Aria unlocks a new opportunity. Then you got on Uphold Inc. Yeah, that's pretty good. RLUSD will be listed on Uphold. Yeah, so MoonPay, I would agree. That's awesome. Oh, and Bright. Thank dude. This is bright. Oh my gosh. I need to put like a I need to figure out where to put the nighttime on that thing. Dang. Your thoughts on XRP versus HBAR circulating supply? I mean, they're both high circulating supply. Um, I think that they both have a good chance to grow. I think HBAR is actually doing really good. They're outperforming the market right now. So I like both of them. It's really hard. I trade both, and that's why, because I think they're both going to do well. Sorry, just joined. Are we dead? No, Daniel, we're not. We're not dead, dude. Just getting started. You love Jasmine. Linda loves Jasmine. I think a lot of people here like Jasmine. Fans been telling me to buy Jasmine. Everyone's telling me to buy Jasmine, and I still don't know what its use case is. Do you guys think that the first wave of liquidity for alt season will go back to meme coins first? Typically it goes from Bitcoin to altcoins to then meme coins back to altcoins. So yeah, I'll be interested to see how that plays. Killer Whale, thanks so much again for the 5 gifted memberships, dude. Appreciate you a ton. If Killer Whale gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Killer Whale, dude. Holding it always down with those gifted memberships, and I appreciate the hell out of it, dude. Thank you very much. Did you ask the A team about the potential Vegas meetup? I have to think about it, man. Yeah, Big Watch is asking me. There's a in May of 2025. There's an XRP event in Vegas, and he was asking me if I was going to go to the Vegas event and do a go down there and hang out, and people wanted to go to this XRP event. I haven't made a decision if I wanted to do it or not, but he just brought it up, and I was like, it sounds cool. I'll have to think about it, but yeah, it would be a cool deal. But like I said, I have to think about it. Usually around May is like right around like peak soccer season for springtime, so it's like kind of hard to like put a schedule out there, but it would be badass. I'm not gonna lie, it would be super cool to meet up with a lot of people if they wanted to. We're trying to get all your subscribers to become members. It's funny, man. So one of the guys in my comment section who was trolling me was actually a member. He was probably gifted a member. He was trolling the hell out of me. I was like, damn. All right. I appreciate it though. I appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome, dude. Membership me. I love beer. Most definitely, brother. Yeah, dude, that's awesome. Appreciate you, Papa Bear. If only these doctor lawyers and high paid professional realize XRP is about to have them retiring early, but they're scared money, middle class. Oh my God. XRP gold coming in hot, dude. I'm gonna stake my XRP in 2035 and buy so many Longhorn mini cows. Damn, Lebo. Okay. Are we all going to Vegas? Oh, they were just talking about it, Linda. They're just saying like F Joe he said that there's an event. There's a Vegas event there in May. Vegas, baby, meet me at the craps table. Cow, thank you so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel, and I appreciate that so much. And hopefully I said your name right. Cow. Koa, maybe? Koa? I need to like set out right. What is that? Hopefully I said it right. Thank you so much for becoming a member of the A team. I live in Vegas. A team rolling deep on the conventions. Ike Diesel, that'd be badass, right? Just everyone just rolling in. We can have our own event. That's what I'm talking about, dude. $5,000 cow. That's a lot. Papa Bear, thanks so much for the $2 donation to the channel. Appreciate you a ton. Thank you very much. We just rolled into the new hour, and I totally forgot to look. Let's see here. We rolled into the new hour right here, and it's in the green. So that's a positive thing. We ended the last one in the red right here. So this will give us a nice little see what we can do here with probably pump out of this one a little bit. Oh man, I got the hiccups now. So now we're in the 20 marker. So the next one's going to be the 4 hour. So we just moved into a new 4 hour candle right here. So hopefully we have some nice momentum coming out of here. Yeah, we'll see how this turns out. AT meetup. Yeah, that'd be cool, right? Fingers crossed. It's been there for so long. Membership 0. Today we turn from moon boys to moon men. 1,000 people in the black hoodies rolling through Vegas. We're all sweaty and hot and smelling like ass because we're all wearing black hoodies on a 90-day, 90-degree day. Big brother, I'm gonna make her give you. Oh my god, dude! Vegas is awesome when you had XRP. Great events. Yeah, I think it's cool, dude. Linda said, "I forgot about sleep." Oh my god, yeah. We'll have to when it gets closer, we should talk about it. See what everyone wants to do. I'd have to look at the event. I haven't even looked at the event, where it's at, anything like that. So yeah, influencing everybody. Chris, I'm on the Cali. Yeah, you're right. You're right across from Seiko, right? I mean, you're right there. That's a hop, skip, and a jump right there. So it's good to see this 4-hour chart now. And 4 hours, like we're looking positive in the 4 hour. The 1 hour, I mean, we just started the 1 hour, but I mean, it is nice to come out of this 1 hour, looking pretty good right here. So we'll see if we can climb out of this. I'll be enjoying my island. I don't know about the rest of y'all. I don't need an excuse to wind up in Vegas. That's awesome. Book early for Vegas. Yeah. That's one thing. I mean, I went to Vegas last year for March Madness, dude, and it was great, dude. Like I want to go back to Vegas this year just for March Madness because it was so crazy. Austin, we don't have to go to Brad's event. We can plan our own thing. That'd be cool to see Brad, though. I'm not gonna lie. We gotta get a little selfie with Brad. Influencers final boss. AT meetup in Austin, Texas on 6th Street. Dude, I don't know about that. Linda, I don't know about that. 6th Street's wild, man. I did not expect 6th Street to be what it was. I'm gonna be honest. 6th Street threw me for a loop, dude. I thought I like woke up and I was in downtown Seattle. Prediction for XRP, next opportunity to buy, or are we straight up? I think right now, everything's looking like we're gonna be moving up. Unless tomorrow it comes out that we have some kind of crazy, price index that comes out here. It's supposed to be 2.2%. And if it gets above that, then yeah, we could probably see a flash crash again. Damn, I had some HBAR, but now I'm pissed I didn't buy the dip more. We all feel that. Yeah, HBAR's up to 28, still hovering around that 27, 28. It's come down over the last 2 hours. The 4-hour chart's actually yeah, it was a little red on the 4-hour chart. So, or it was good on this one, but the new 4-hour chart started and looking a little rough. Let's go. What do you think about the next time to explode Solana? Solana's going well. I was in SA in Austin recently. Okay. I heard San Antonio is nice. I heard San Antonio is really nice. I'm down for the ATL. Do I have any update? Do I have to update my Ledger cold store wall? Sometimes there's an update. Yeah, sometimes you have to, like, it'll say when you pull up on your Ledger on your computer, it'll have you plug it in. So yeah, I have money set aside for swing trades on XRP, but I do see XRP growing quick when Trump's in. I do too, Ryan. I'm with you 100%, dude. And thanks again for the donations, man. I appreciate you a ton. That's amazing. Thank you very much. Tomorrow's last day for Congress to pass the CR bill and the government shutdowns. It failed today. Yeah, tomorrow. That's another thing too. We don't know what's going to happen. I don't know what would happen to the market if the Feds get shut down. If they don't come to a resolution and we actually shut down the government, I don't know what the hell is going to happen. So that is something I cannot predict. So I don't know what the charts are going to do. Okay, that's why I'm saying, just if you're in a position where you plan on selling, just put your stop loss in tonight before you go to bed. Okay. I'm putting stop losses in tonight before I go to bed. Okay. Actually, I already have a stop loss in for XRP. So I'm gonna take away $1,000 off of my XRP trade before I go to bed tonight if it drops past the number where I put it. So, and I'm putting it right here about the 230 marker. And then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to buy back into the 220 marker. So 220 marker is where I'll buy back in if it dips down again. So I'm going to sell at the 230 if it dips below the 230, because we've been above the 230 for the last 4 hours. So I'm gonna ride this 230 marker And if it dips back down, so be it. I made my money. I'll have another buy entry. So I'll set my buy tonight at probably around the 220. I'm probably going to say around 225 will be my first purchase. And then I'll make another one down here if it gets past the 220 marker. So I'll probably put 2 in just to buy these up and then hopefully bounce back. But we'll see. We'll see what the day brings. Heard there's a big woman down here in San Antonio. Really? Everyone should post in the comment section where they're from after the stream ends. Tracy, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel, and I appreciate it so much. Thank you very much. The best time is when they shut down, as they can F anything else. Oh, yeah, that's true. We'll see what happens, right? I mean, it'll be crazy. Have we had a shutdown? Has there been a government shutdown before? Let's see. Last government. Dude, that's funny. I typed in last gover and it literally said shutdown. So I'm not the only person. It said the shutdown of December 2018 through January 2019 was the second to occur during a presidential term of Donald Trump and was due to disagreement over negotiations for Trump's wall. So that was the last time we had a shutdown. And then the one before that, the government shut down in 2013. So I guess we kind of shut down more than I thought. Damn. Okay. Admin, I had a lot of coins when I first started, and then I've slowly dwindled down to the ones I like. I set an alert for XRP at 222, just another day schedule. There you go, dude. 222. Yeah, that's probably not a bad number, right? If this were to drop back down, I think we're probably in this probably 225. I mean, this thing went all the way down here yesterday or earlier. This had to have been earlier today. Yeah, I think it went down earlier today, hit down here. This is yesterday, I think. So yeah, I mean, set those buy orders again, dude. You're gonna sell, you'll make your money, you'll roll the money back over into the next trade. So, man, I was out for 2 hours and things are green again. Heck yeah, Neo. That's always good to come back. I think like 35 days. 35 days. Descent, there's a new update. Okay, so Descent got a new update. North Texas. I don't even know where is North Texas? Like what it would be in. I want to go to Starbase, Texas. That's where it is. That's such a cool city name, Starbase. The government shut down when I was in the army. I still got paid. Did you really? That's actually pretty funny. The fast food feast. I remember that. That's pretty funny. Any thoughts on Crow? Just a slow mover. Crow's a slow mover, dude. Most of the buildings are usually empty anyways. Yeah, definitely. I take profits and compound 50% of the other 50% in the Colts. There you go. 2019, I sold 440K of my Doge. Dang, dude. Did you sell it at the top? That's actually selling. No, you did not sell at the top. You sold at the bottom. Damn, bro. That's a lot. So you think XRP to $3 before end of 2024? We got a rally coming up here. I mean, we got the Christmas rally. I mean, this one went during this Christmas rally went from $900 to $1,150. This Christmas rally last year went from 23,000 up to almost 43,000. Now, which is roughly, I mean, if you pulled the numbers on that, that's probably roughly 25%. And this one was probably roughly a 40%. So I don't know what this one's going to be. If we even do it, right? It might not even hit. I was going to say a stop loss. How do you do that if your XRP is in the negative because you purchased some of the XRP at a higher price? Oh, you just set the stop loss. It's just because it's at a higher price. I mean, if you bought some at a lower price, say you bought 10,000 at a lower price, yeah, your average price gets dropped down, but I mean, you're still making a profit off the 10K that you put in there. Yeah, just keep track of that. The government shut down and another paid vacation for the. Oh my gosh. You guys are crazy, dude. You guys are crazy. Guess what I do for work, Austin? I'm a wastewater operator. I mine brown gold and turn it into XRP. Heck yeah, Lebo. Heck yeah. Wastewater operator. Those are actually super important. Without those, man, we'd have some pretty crazy overflows of solid waste. Keep flushing. He spends some of his term hiding from corn pop. Yeah, I'm excited to have joined the A team. Oh, I appreciate that. Thank you so much for joining the A team. I appreciate that, Tracy. Thank you. Welcome. Oh man. Thank you so much for the invites. Pepe's, I mean, it's been a rough day for Pepe. It's been a super rough day for Pepe. In 2012 and 2018. Need more XRP. I think a lot of us want more XRP, that's for sure. Thank you so much for the Clinton Barry. Thanks so much for the gifts, all the gifts and the flowers and stuff. Or the roses. Thank you very much. Gonna wait and see. Yeah, it's coming down now a little bit. So again, if my stop loss gets hit, the 230 marker gets hit, dude, and then we just set the next level. Like I said, this thing came up. It will probably, we could come back down a little bit. 225 again, maybe bounce back up. We'll see. That's been a rough day for everything. It has been, dude. These are the days you don't want to open up your wallet. Thanks for the welcome. Hey, no problem, Tracy. What do you think about the graph? Oh, you're talking about the graph token, GRT? Yeah, I think it's good. It has its ups and downs, but I think it's good. XYO, a good pick. Been watching and researching it, and it's AI related. Yeah. XYO is a DPIN. It's DPIN. I think it's a DPIN protocol is what they're doing. XRPL meme coins. XRPL meme coins are wild, dude. I don't condone XRPL meme coins, but I did jump into one. Tell you the truth, I should let me see what I jumped into. I haven't even looked at the price. I jumped into one a while back, whenever it was, and I'm about Eve. I'm up I turned my $10 into $30, so I didn't put that much in. I put like $10 in to see what it would do, and I'm sitting on 30. So yeah, I would not put my money in that kind of stuff. It was mostly just to test it out, see how the first ledger was. First ledger is a little clunky. Yeah, it's a little clunky for sure. Tokens, wallet. Oh wow, dude! Holy crap! I put $10 in this Phoenix one, and it's at $90. Holy crap! Did not expect that to happen. It's up 900. Yeah, dude, look at that. I put $10 in. It's up 940%. I put $10 in. It's at $96. That's crazy, dude. You just never know with these crazy things, dude. I asked ChatGPT, it was crypto market was going to crash or go up, and he told me it was going to go down. But then I asked about XRP, and it said it's going to go up. That is kind of wild, dude. Why'd you put 10? I told you I was testing out the first ledger. I was seeing how it worked. And I haven't worked the first ledger, so I was like just seeing how it worked. I bought a few things to see where they went, how the whole coins, how it's a clunky system. Yeah, super clunky. Yeah, I don't condone it. I'm not condoning it, but yeah, this is the one I bought into. It's up 942%, and you can see right here my balance is $96. I only put $10 into it. So right when it launched, I was just messing around. I wasn't even like I said, it was. I don't think anyone should get into this. It was just me messing around. I wanted to, obviously, if you're something new comes out, and it being that first ledger, I wanted to see how it works. So if anyone asked me questions, I'd be like, yeah, first ledger is this, first ledger is that. So that's what I did, and yeah, there you go. We should all just smoke crack and trade penny stocks. Only got 2 cryptos in my cold wallet. Do you trade those? Yeah. Do I trade? Do not trade just a hodler. Heck yeah. Hoover the FUD killer. That's the way to do it. Some people like that. A lot of people I know started getting into crypto. It's because of Trump. Is it because of Trump? Yeah, very well could be. How do you know when a new coin comes out, dude? New coins come out every second, dude. You just go on to Dex Screener, and it'll tell you a new thing that's made. That'll be 1K in 3 months. You think so, F Joe? I bought 12,000 coins today. My accountant is pissed. Oh my gosh. What are your thoughts on the Tangem cold? I don't know. I contemplate on buying Tangem just because I don't know. I've never owned it, but a lot of people here have it. So um yeah, I should probably get one. You think so? After I don't know. That's a lot. No shutdown. Yeah. Did they actually come out and come to some agreement? Let's see here. Did the thing actually come out here? I don't see anything that says that did they actually come out and say that they stopped it? Linda, it's way past my bedtime. It's way past my bedtime too. Today was a long day, dude. I'm gonna be honest, dude. Today was a long day. Super long day. Yeah. So I'm down. Should I hold or put it in stop? I mean, if you're down, if you the only way you'll lose if you sell it. When your accountant gets pissed, she makes me sleep on the couch. Oh my gosh. Come on, XRP. Let's build it back up. Let's build it back up. They have until tomorrow night. Yeah, we'll see if that happens, right? Until tomorrow night. The bill failed to shut down. Oh yeah, that's good. We're all glad you're streaming. I appreciate you. I appreciate you guys all being here. Honestly, I don't want to sleep now. I will be getting off here in 9 minutes. That'll put me at about 2 hours. But yeah, I told everyone I was going to be coming back on Saturday. I know there's a lot of people out there that were like, "Dude, Austin, what the hell's going on?" I even had a guy troll the hell out of me. Um, I'll read it out loud. It was kind of funny, dude. I was like, "Man, dude, I literally." Oh, here, I'll see if I can find it. It was so funny, dude. I was like, "Man, I put out 3 videos today. I went streaming like literally an hour, whenever it was." And, and the guy was like, "No, you're just a hustler." I was like, "Oh my gosh, I miss a little bit. I missed like one day. I missed like 24 hours, and I already got someone hating on me for it." I was like, "Gosh, dang." Dude, life savings. Thank you so much for the dollar super sticker. I appreciate the hell out of that. Thank you very, very much. Ryan, dude, thank you so much for the $20, dude. Are you grilling and chilling for Christmas? Yes, dude. We're gonna be grilling and chilling. I'll probably go live on Christmas morning, dude. I mean, the kids will out there, the kids will have all their stuff and be playing around with it. And I'll probably come on for an hour and just say what's up to the A team, wish everyone a Merry Christmas and all that good stuff. And so, well, yeah, we'll see what happens on Christmas. But yeah, I'm just hanging out, man. Family, um, you know, that's really what it's about. So, but crypto's 24/7 and does not sleep on Christmas. So we're gonna be here. Oh, you'll hang for 9 more minutes. Okay, Linda, I appreciate you. I don't understand what the point of all these other coins are. Yeah, people just make them. You know what I mean? And yeah, thanks again, both of you, for the 9.99 that or the 99 cent super sticker and the $20, Ryan. Appreciate you a ton. I was married for 20 years, grew up on the couch. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. 18, no, the tap the screen. Yeah, we're at 18. We're at 18,000 hearts on the screen over here. You guys are awesome on TikTok, dude. 208 people watching right now, and you guys like the hell out of the freaking channel here. I don't think he looks at that much. I do. I look over here, Pravada. It's just hard because there's a lot of people over here and then here, and so I got to get it all on one screen, make it so much easier. Vincenzo, thank you so much for Vincenzo. I'm just calling you Vin. Vin, thank you so much for the $2 donation. Ada took a huge hit today. Yeah, Ada definitely took a little bit of a hit today. I will agree with you on that. But they're starting to come back. They're starting to come back right now. You can see here's their chart on the 4 hour. It's definitely a rough looking chart, but you can see right here on the 4 hour, it's starting to come back. The RSI is looking positive right now for Ada. So I did look at this earlier today. The 12 hours looking really good too. So Ada has a good chance to do some recovering here, and they're down from just this last little sell off right here. They're down about 17%. So I mean, there is an opportunity to make a good swing trade here. I'll be honest, dude. Ada's definitely one of those ones where it's a good looking potential swing trade. They fell off the map pretty quick, so they're gonna have to fill this up, and they'll probably come back up to $1, maybe even $1 right here, which is a good swing trade. I mean, we're talking if we were to buy in right now, dude, I actually just might do this. It goes back up to $1. That's a 10% return. Shit, I might actually freaking look at that. I might look at that one. Speedy, thanks for hanging out. Yes. Yeah, and I'll be back on. You guys know that I'll be back on tomorrow at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. You guys know it. So I will be back on my normal streaming time. I know I was not there today, but I do appreciate it that you guys are here tonight. So you should show the Fiat Leak website for XRP. ADA is a scam. Oh my gosh, Seiko. Why you think ADA founders was at the SpaceX for? I think, yeah, I bought ADA at $1.07. Fun stuff. Hey man, we'll make a comeback. It's probably a good DCA opportunity too. Probably a good DCA opportunity. But you know, everyone sort of has their whether they can or not. It's really, you know, up to them. So let's see here. What is up, team? Welcome. This is so funny. I was gonna forward this. It says so on the comment, dude. It's on the XRP price could be impacted by Ripple. He goes, awesome. Disappointed. You were live for 2 weeks. Now you just disappeared, and I'm thinking you got your views, donations, subs. There are two kinds of people in the world: workers and hustlers. Hustlers never work. Workers never hustle. You, awesome, are a hustler. You've been a hustler. You've been hustled, folks. And I was like, I went live yesterday morning at 10 a.m. I was live for 3.5 hours. I told everyone I was going to be on stream, and then I was like, and I put out 3 videos today. I was like, damn, some people just like really hate it. I mean, I was like, gosh, bro, made me feel. I was like, I really need to come. Like, I can't miss a day, dude. If I miss a day, people are gonna hate on it. No more missing days. That's what it's telling me. Do not miss another day. But no, I appreciate you, Toolbox. It's okay, man. Hold me accountable. Thank you for holding me accountable. He posted multiple videos today. I did. I posted 3 videos today, which is kind of trying to make up for it all. You know, it was pretty funny though. I'm not mad about it. I thought it was. I was just like, thanks for holding me accountable, Toolbox. That's his name, by the way. I'm not calling him a toolbox. I'm calling him. That's his name on their Toolbox. Austin's hustling, and I'm here for it. Appreciate you. That's funny, dude. Austin, man. Appreciate you, David. Can't keep everyone happy. Yeah, that's a hard thing to do, right? That's one thing I learned in this space. You cannot make everyone happy, dude. There's no way you can make everyone happy. I bet user, come on. Should we be getting out of the market right now? I know, dude. This is red days are the days you want to try to accumulate. Find some entry points. Do what you need to do. All influencers are hustlers. Oh, Chris, I'm not an influencer, dude. What did you guys call me? I'm a content creator. I'm a bro. I'm just kidding. I'm just one of the bros, dude. No influencer here. Can't hustle a hustler. I like the video. Thanks for sharing the info, man. I appreciate that, Mile High. Thanks, dude. Typical influencer. Every time I try to hustle, my butt hurts. Austin Zabrowski. Oh, you guys are great, dude. Don't drink the Austin Kool-Aid. You guys are wild, dude. You're the man. I appreciate that. That's funny, dude. Don't hate the player, hate the game, right? No, dude. That's it was just funny. I'm not hating on him. I hold me accountable. He held me accountable. Yeah, hit that like, everyone. Hit that like. So we're gonna see tomorrow. I'm gonna actually look at ADA tonight. I might actually look at an entry point on ADA. You know, XRP is looking really good, starting to climb back up again to the 32. I did put a stop loss at 230, and then I will put one at 2. I'll put a buy order at 225 if this were to fall off the map tonight. But things are looking really good across the board. Bitcoin back up to 245 in the positive right now. Even if we looked at the previous days, like I said, I mean, we're starting to come into the green here. Everything's indicating that we'll be in the green tomorrow. So yeah, we should be in for a nice little, a nice little bounce back here. At least that's how I feel. So yeah, with all that, guys, I'm going to be hopping off here. I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. I will be back tomorrow live at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So make sure you guys are here. We'll talk about the markets, obviously, and everything that's going to happen, and go from there. So I hope you all have a fantastic night. I hope you are all safe, and we will see you guys tomorrow morning. With all that, love you guys a ton. Peace out, everyone. Oh, yeah, before we leave, make sure you throw some dudes up in the chat. Throw some dudes up in the chat before we leave. We can't leave tonight without some dudes in the chat. All right. Cheers, everyone.